Hey guys, it's Tornado YT tutorial back again with another tutorial, and today I am going to explain how to play Minecraft Manhunt on Minecraft Bedrock using command blocks. And I don't know if there's any other tutorials of Manhunt, but I could assure you that this one is actually going to work. I have did it before, and yeah. And if you want proof that it actually works, I actually have a Manhunt video on my other channel, my gaming channel, if you want to go check that out. And it actually works, like the compasses and all the features. So yeah, I guess onto the tutorial. Okay guys, so on to the tutorial now, and we are gonna go check out these command blocks. We have 5 command blocks, and then we have 3 commands, and then that should get the work. Like, it should get the Manhunt running, just in case like you want to do a video or you just want to play for fun. And yeah, also make sure you guys have your friends in the game during when I'm doing all this, because some commands are gonna apply some stuff to them. So you're gonna need them in the game, but yeah. Okay, so this command block right here is gonna be repeat, always active, and then gotta get rid of that. And so this is the command right here. You just type that in. And if you want to just copy and paste it, if you're on computer, then you could just go down to the description, and they're gonna have most of the commands. And yeah, so you could copy and paste it in the description, and if you're on console, then you could just pause the video and type it in. And yeah, so on to the next command. Okay guys, so this command right here is just gonna be on chain, always active, and here it is right here. I'll give you a second to pause or copy and paste, and yeah, on to the next command. Okay guys, so this is the next command, and actually, yeah, so this is the next command. It's on repeat, always active. I'll give you a second to pause. Okay, on to the next command. Okay guys, so this is the 4th command block. It's on chain, always active, and this is the command right here. I'll give you a second to pause. Okay, or copy and paste, and yeah, now we are gonna go on the next command block. Okay, so this command block is going to be right here. And also, a side note, make sure you guys, the command block is facing like this, because it's going to be like a chain reaction. So make sure it looks like a pentagon house pointing up. And yeah, so now onto this command block right here. This is just going to be repeat, always active. And now the difference between this command block, which I cannot type in the description for you to copy and paste, well, I will type some of it in the description, but whoever's going to be the speedrunner, you have to put their name, their username, their Minecraft username on this command block instead of putting YT, but everything else stays the same. And yeah, so I'll give you a second to pause or copy and paste. And okay, so that is all 5 command blocks, and now I'm going to tell you guys the commands. Now, if you guys have noticed, probably in the corner of the chat, it's probably been spamming because of this 5th command block right here. Now, a way to fix it is to do /gamerule, and then you're going to do command block output, and then you're going to put it on false. And then once you press enter, it should get rid of the spamming in the chat. So you don't have to worry about that, just in case you're doing a video or if it's getting in your way. And now on to the next command. Okay guys, so the next command is /spawnpoint, and then @all. And make sure when you're typing this command, you're like stepping on the block that you wanna stepping on the block that you want the spawn point to be for like the hunters. So whichever, like if you want it on top of a mountain or somewhere else, or just a world spawn or wherever you want, you just stand there, type in this command, press enter, and now that will set everyone's spawn point right there. Okay guys, so the next command is going to be a little bit tricky. So you're going to have to stand right here. Usually you would see this. You stand right here, and then you're going to remember those coordinates in the corner, and then you're going to type in /tickingarea, area, and then you're gonna write add, and then usually it will tell you in the corner, unless it usually tells you the chords, unless like you can't place it there or something, like sometimes it glitches. So you're just gonna type in, and then usually it would do one block under your Y level. You're just gonna type in one above it, and then yeah, so those are my coordinates. Yours is probably not gonna be the same, so make sure you guys don't copy me. You could copy the ticking area, the add, but the coordinates may be different for you. And then you're gonna press enter, and that might not work, and the reason why is because we have to go over here and then crouch on this command block, this chain command block right there. You're gonna crouch to the corner, and then now we're gonna go back in chat. Wait, first we have to remember those chords in the corner again, and then we're gonna go back in the chat, and then we're gonna press, either if you're on the computer, you're gonna press the up arrow, or whatever console you're playing on, and there should be like a up option, like on the Xbox controller you see the up D-pad, or the Nintendo, like the blue controller, I think it is, or the red, I don't know, but there's like 4 buttons. You just press the up, and you are gonna type in the coordinates. So mine is these coordinates, and then you're just gonna press enter. Okay guys, so if you guys want to stay to know like the explanation of all the commands in the command blocks, just in case you're trying to like get yourself better with the commands, like with commands, or you just want to know explanations so that you could try to memorize it or something like that, then make sure you guys stay in the video. But if you guys are actually gonna go and you guys don't really care, then make sure you guys leave a like on this video, make sure you guys subscribe, comment down below any other tutorials that you guys want to see, and yeah, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye! Okay guys, for the people that have stayed, we are gonna go review the command blocks and the command. Okay guys, so starting with the first command block, basically what this one is gonna do is it's gonna give 1 level of XP for anyone who has the for anyone who died. So basically whoever died is basically gonna get 1 XP, and this is for a chain, which this command block right here is gonna make it so that anyone who has the tag dead, whoever actually died, it's gonna add the tag dead. So it's gonna add the tag dead. So now, and basically the tag command is just like putting things in teams or categories. So now this command block is going to activate, and whoever has the tag dead, which that's what this chain command block did, is going to give them a compass. So once they die, they get a compass. And then after they get the compass, this command block is going to remove their dead, so that this command block down here isn't just going to spam and keep saying, oh, give compass, give compass, give compass. Okay guys, so now that we're done with these 4 command blocks, we're going to go with this command block right here. And basically what this is going to do is that the compasses usually point to world spawn, so whoever's a speedrunner is going to have the world spawn always constantly with them, meaning that the compass is going to point to them. So that's how that command block works. And yeah, so now we are going to get on with the commands. Okay guys, so with this command, I'm pretty sure I already explained it. What it's going to do is that it's going to make it so that the commands don't spam. So if you ever want to do that for like other command blocks, so that the chat's not annoying and you don't have to disable it, then you could just type in this command. For any other command blocks also it works. Okay guys, so the next command is this command. I'm pretty sure I also explained it, where your friends have to be in the game, and then you're gonna set the spawn point for everybody to where you want to, for the hunters basically, where you want them to spawn. Also, the reason why this isn't a command block is because if it was to repeat constantly, like a repeat command block, the reason why this isn't a command block is because then the hunters can't set their bed anywhere they want, so that just in case they want to set their bed to like camp something, or like if the speedrunner goes super far away and they need like a bed spawn, there's the reason why it's not a command block on repeat. And also the world spawn doesn't take over like the spawn. And then the final command is gonna be this command right here, and it is basically this one right here is basically just making it so that these command blocks work everywhere. So it's making a ticking area that works anywhere in the whole entire world, because usually command blocks have a chunk. They has to have the chunk rendered, but this is basically like a chunk loader for the command blocks. And yeah, that's basically all the commands. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. For those who stayed, make sure you guys comment down below if you stayed through the whole entire video. And yeah, if you did, I will be hearting your comments down below. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like the video and comment down below any other tutorials that you want me to do. Make sure you guys subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye!